Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add WhatsApp or Messenger button to Facebook page. So be sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, what you have to do is open up the Facebook application on your mobile and then you have to tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner. First, you have to switch your personal profile to the page. So you can hit right here. You can see your pages here. You can tap any of your page like this. So you can add a button to that page to contact you to make it convenient for people to write you if they want. And all you have to do now is hit these three dots. You can see that. Just click on it. Select this edit action button. Now there you can hit this edit button. And now you can see you can easily add WhatsApp message button by simply tapping on this message. Also you can uncheck mark WhatsApp and add a call, email or contact us. You can do anything you want. You can see there is lot of options. You can do this. So once you check mark, tap on this connect WhatsApp account. Just hit right there and it asks you to put in your phone number. Once you did that, your WhatsApp account and your Facebook account will be connected to each other and WhatsApp contacts button will be placed at your Facebook page. So that's how you can add WhatsApp button to Facebook page. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.